Hello friends, we are learning grade 9 mathematics, second chapter polynomials of the NCERT solution of the CBSE. Exercise 2.1, we have already learned the question number 1, 2, 3, 4. The link for the same in the description box. Please check it. Now we are going to move the question number 5, that is the classify the following as linear, quadratic and the cubic polynomials. First of all, to solve the example, first of all let's check quickly what is meant by the linear equation, quadratic equation and the cubic equation. So on the basis of the degree of the variable, this is important for the polynomial. On the basis of the degree of the polynomials can be classified as, the first is that constant polynomial. Obviously, what is the mean of the mathematics of the word? That is the concept normally. So here is the any polynomial contains the constant, it is called as the constant polynomial. So constant polynomial containing only one constant term, that is called as the constant polynomial. Let's move to the next, the linear polynomial. So linear means what? Line. Linear means what? Line. So polynomial of the degree 1 is called as the linear polynomial. Next, the quadratic polynomial. The meaning of the quad is what? 2. So the polynomial having the degree 2 is called as the quadratic polynomial. And the cube means what? 3. Again, so cubic polynomial means what? The polynomial of the degree 3 is called as the cubic polynomial. Let's move the question. Classify the following as the linear, quadratic and the cubic polynomial. So the first is that x square plus x. Here we can see that the highest power of the x is 1 and 2. The highest power is the 2 and therefore as it is the power 2, therefore it is the quadratic polynomial. So easy it is. If you know the concept of here, so you can able to solve this. Next, here power of the x is 1 and the power of x is 2. Doesn't matter what the sign of the x. So highest power is what? 3. As the highest power is the 3, therefore it is called as the cubic polynomial. Next, here it is a y raised to 1, y square plus 4. So again the highest power is 1, 2. So highest power is the 2 and therefore as the highest power is 2, if the highest power is 2, then it is called as the quadratic polynomial. Next is 1 plus x. Here no power is written, but if it is the power is not written, it is considered as what? 1. So 1 plus x is to 1. As the degree is the 1, so it is called as the linear polynomial. Next, 3t. Again the power is not mentioned, so it is considered as power 1. So 3t raised to 1, again power as the 1, so it is called as a linear polynomial. Next is r square, power is 2, therefore it is called as a quadratic polynomial. And the next, last, 7x raised to 3, the power is the 3, highest power is 3, therefore it is called as a quadratic polynomial. With this question we have finished exercise 2.1. Keep on watching, we are solving all the exercise for this chapter. If you like it, understand it, please comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe the channel so that I will able to give you so more and more videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you. Welcome.